Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can create this cutout video transition on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select a video here, and I'm going to select another video here, and then I'm just going to wait for it to load. I'm also going to make this a little bit shorter just so you guys can see the... Oh, okay, I can't use that one apparently. What about this one? Okay, so I'm just going to basically freeze frame that, and then go to remove background, and then select auto removal on the freeze frame one. Then I'm going to put it like on top here of the other video, but I'm just going to crop it out. I might make this a little bit longer. And then I'm going to put the other video here. On this video, you're just going to go to animation, and you're going to add in any animation that you would like to. It's totally up to you, like which one you want. Maybe like a swing or a shake. I might make this a little bit shorter actually. And yeah, that is pretty much it, really. It's like super simple. If you want to add another video, you're going to do the same thing again. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.